Hello student, in the topic natural product, today I am discussing with you general methods for structure determination of alkaloids. In general method for structure determination of alkaloid, first is the molecular formula determination, means how molecular formula of alkaloid is determined. Here empirical formula is determined by qualitative and quantitative analysis. This is followed by the molecular weight and hence its molecular formula determined. The second point, unsaturation determination, means how unsaturation is present in alkaloid is determined by here presence of unsaturation in an alkaloid is detected by its reaction with bromine or hydrogen, halogen acid, etc. By carrying out quantitative reaction, one can be estimate the degree of unsaturation. Means if double bond is present, then hydrogen atom, bromine atom or halogen acid adds to the double bond and indicate presence of a unsaturation. Then third one is the functional group analysis. Then both classical method of organic analysis and modern spectroscopic methods like NMR, mass and IR spectroscopy are used. Mainly IR spectroscopy is used to determine the functional group in a alkaloid. Then after functional group, we study here nature of oxygen atom. If alkaloid contain oxygen atom, then which form it is contained in structure of alkaloid. First, nature of oxygen atom. Here alkaloid contain oxygen. It may be present in different functional groups. Each one of these forms can be detected as a under. Means oxygen atom presence in the form of hydroxy group, ketonic group or carboxylic group or alkoxy group. Then further we study here hydroxy group. Then hydroxy group, here presence of OH group in an alkaloid is indicated by acetylation or benzylation reaction. I am showing the reaction here. ROH plus acetic anhydride, CH3CO 2 times O, acetic anhydride, acetylation in presence of NaOH, formation of here RCOO CH3 plus CH3COH, that is formation of a ester. If hydroxy group is present in a alkaloid, then reaction is carried out by acetylation or benzylation. Then second reaction, here ROH plus CH3COCl, instead of acetic anhydride for acetylation we use acetyl chloride, and when ROH react with CH3COCl, here formation of RCOO CH3, that is formation of ester by releasing one molecule of a HCl. Similarly, ROH react with C6H5COCl. C6H5 means benzene, benzyl. Therefore, COCl attached to this benzene ring. Then formation of a benzyl chloride. When ROH react with the benzyl chloride, here formation of, in presence of alkali, formation of ROCO C6H5, that is formation of a aromatic ester. Then spectroscopically OH group is indicated by absorption band at 3600 per cm in IR spectra. In IR spectra, OH group show absorption band at 3600 per cm. This is the presence of OH group in alkaloid. Then the number of OH group in a molecule is determined by estimating the quantity of alkali needed to hydrolyze known weight of acetyl derivative of alkaloid. Therefore, I am showing the reaction here. ROCOCH3 plus NaOH, hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is nothing but addition of water molecule. Therefore, formation of a alkaloid, that is ROH plus sodium acetate, that is CH3COO Na. Here 1 mole of OH group is equal to 1 mole of NaOH. Then alternatively we can also determine by active hydrogen method, that is alkaloid react with methyl magnesium iodide Grignard's reagent, formation of ROMGI plus CH4 methane. Then 1 molecule of OH group is equal to 1 molecule of methane. From the quantity of methane evolved, the number of OH group is calculated. The nature of OH group in alkaloid is distinguished as under. Means which form this OH group is present. First is the phenolic OH group. Nature of OH group in an alkaloid distinguished as under. That is, first is the phenolic OH group. And in case of phenolic OH group is present in alkaloid. Then with FeCl3 alkaloid gives a color solution, and solubility of alkaloid in alkali hints the phenolic OH group present in the structure of alkaloid. Then if OH group present in case of alcoholic OH group present in alkaloid, then reaction like this: ROH plus SOCl2 thionyl chloride, it gives RCl, that is halide of alkaloid, plus SO2 plus HCl. The reaction of alkaloid with phosphorus halide or thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, organic acid, hints the presence of alcoholic OH group. Frequently alkaloids containing alcoholic hydroxy group lose their hydroxy group as water on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphorus pentoxide. Then further oxidation study helps to distinguish between primary, secondary or tertiary alcoholic group is present. Then for primary alcoholic group, primary alcohol on oxidation gives first aldehyde, and aldehyde then further oxidation gives a acid, both having same number of carbon atom as in the parent alcohol. Therefore I am showing the reaction: primary alcohol, that is CH2OH, general formula, oxidation, formation of a aldehyde, and aldehyde further oxidation, formation of a acid having same number of the carbon atom. This is the primary alcoholic group is present. If secondary alcoholic group is present, then secondary alcohol on oxidation gives a ketone having same number of carbon atoms, then an acid containing less number of carbon atoms. Therefore secondary alcohol CHOH, oxidation, formation of a ketone, and ketone on further oxidation, formation of a acid. Then suppose secondary alcoholic group in aromatic ring, or it attached to the aromatic carbon atom hydroxy group, then undergoes oxidation, it forms ketone, and ketone further oxidation, it gives the acid. If the secondary alcoholic group is attached to the ring carbon atom, then oxidation produces open chain dicarboxylic acid containing same number of the carbon atom. Therefore showing the reaction dicarboxylic acid, this is the open chain structure, and if this type of structure is formed, then alcoholic OH group may be in the form of a secondary alcohol in alkaloid. Then in case of tertiary alcohol on oxidation gives first ketone and then acid, both having less number of carbon atoms. Then after alcoholic OH group, next is the alkoxy group. In case of alkoxy group, it is detected by Giesel method. A known weight of alkaloid is heated with concentrated HI at 399 Kelvin, and the alkyl iodide is estimated with ethanolic silver nitrate. Then 1 mole of methoxy group is equal to 1 mole of the AgI. Therefore I am showing the reaction here: ROCH3 plus HI at 399 Kelvin, formation of a ROH plus methyl iodide. Then this methyl iodide again react with AgNO3, sodium nitrate, formation of a CH3NO3 plus AgI precipitate. Then 1 mole of OCH3 group is equal to the 1 mole of a AgI, and this is estimated by the Giesels method. Means OCH3 group, presence of OCH3 group is estimated by Giesels method. Then further, again oxygen atom present in the form of a carbonyl group. We studied. Next YouTube lecture. Thank you for listening.